Good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing well and may have revised the previously learned topics. So now our today's topic is Rivers and Lakes of the World. Major rivers of the world. Rivers are lifelines of civilizations, providing water, transportation, and fertile soil. Some notable rivers include the Nile in Africa, which is the world's longest river and essential for Egyptian civilization. The Amazon in South America is the largest river by discharge and supports the Amazon rainforest. The Yangtze in Asia, the longest river in the continent, is vital for Chinese agriculture and industry. The Mississippi-Missouri system in North America is important for trade and irrigation in the USA. The Ganges in Asia is sacred in Hinduism and crucial for Indian agriculture despite facing pollution challenges. Famous lakes of the world. Lakes store freshwater, regulate climates, and are sources of biodiversity. Key examples are the Caspian Sea, which is the largest enclosed inland water body and often referred to as a sea. Lake Superior in North America is the largest freshwater lake by surface area. Lake Baikal in Asia is the deepest and oldest freshwater lake, holding 20% of the world's unfrozen freshwater. The Dead Sea in Asia is the saltiest water body, famous for its buoyancy and mineral-rich mud. Lake Victoria in Africa is the largest tropical lake, shared by Uganda, Kenya, and Tanzania. Longest rivers. Rivers like the Nile and Amazon span thousands of kilometers, traversing multiple ecosystems. They serve as major sources of irrigation, hydroelectric power, and transport. Deepest lakes. Lake Baikal, at 1,642 meters, is known for its unique biodiversity, including freshwater seals. Lake Tanganyika, at 1,470 meters, is shared by 4 African nations and is rich in fish species. Crater Lake, at 594 meters, was formed in a volcanic crater and is famous for its pristine water. River systems and drainage patterns. Rivers and their tributaries form drainage systems. Common patterns include dendritic, which resembles tree branches and is found in uniform topography. Trellis patterns feature parallel streams with intersecting tributaries and form in folded terrains. Radial patterns occur when streams flow outward from a central point, typical of volcanic cones. Importance of rivers and lakes. Rivers and lakes are essential for water supply, including drinking, irrigation, and industrial needs. They facilitate transportation and trade, as seen with the Mississippi and Rhine rivers. They support diverse flora and fauna and hold cultural and historical significance. Pollution and conservation. Pollution in rivers and lakes comes from industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and domestic sewage. Impacted rivers include the Ganges in India, the Citarum in Indonesia, and the Yangtze in China. Conservation efforts like the Clean Ganga Mission in India and international agreements like the Rhine Action Plan aim to restore these vital ecosystems. Famous dams and reservoirs. The Aswan High Dam on the Nile controls flooding and generates power in Egypt. The Hoover Dam on the Colorado River is key for water supply and hydroelectric power. The Three Gorges Dam on the Yangtze is the largest hydropower project in the world but is controversial for its ecological impacts. These features make rivers and lakes indispensable for human existence and ecological balance. Rivers and lakes in Indian states. Rivers and their states. Ganga River. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal. Yamuna River, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Delhi. Brahmaputra River, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. Godavari River, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. Krishna River, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. Kaveri River, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Narmada River, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat. Tapti, Tapi, River, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat. Mahandi River, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. Indus River, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh. Sutlej River, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab. Ravi River, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab. Chenab River, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab. Beas River, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab. Lakes and their states. Dal Lake, Jammu and Kashmir. Wular Lake, Jammu and Kashmir. Chilka Lake, Odisha. Sambhar Lake, Rajasthan. Pushkar Lake, Rajasthan. Vembanad Lake, Kerala. Loktak Lake, Manipur. Pulicat Lake, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Koleru Lake, Andhra Pradesh. Pangong Lake, Ladakh. Lona Lake, Maharashtra. Bhimtal Lake, Uttarakhand. Noni Lake, Uttarakhand. Hussain Sagar Lake, Telangana. Upper Lake, Madhya Pradesh. Carefully look at the maps shown. The first map shows details about lakes. The second map shows the rivers. Types of water on Earth and their percentages. Water is a vital natural resource covering about 71% of the Earth's surface. However, the distribution of water is uneven, with the majority being unavailable for direct human use. Here's a detailed breakdown. 1. Salt water, 97.5%. The vast majority of water on Earth is found in the oceans, accounting for 97.5% of the total. Salt water contains high concentrations of dissolved salts, making it unsuitable for drinking or agriculture without desalination. Oceans play a crucial role in regulating the planet's climate, supporting marine ecosystems, and driving the water cycle. 2. Freshwater, 2.5%. Freshwater represents only a small fraction of the Earth's water, yet it is essential for life. It is distributed as follows. A. Glaciers and ice caps, 68.7% of freshwater. Most of the Earth's freshwater is locked in glaciers and ice caps, primarily in Antarctica and Greenland. This frozen water is inaccessible for direct human use, but it is a vital part of the global climate system. Melting glaciers due to climate change contribute to rising sea levels. B. Groundwater, 30.1% of freshwater. Groundwater is stored beneath the Earth's surface in aquifers and reservoirs. It is a critical source of drinking water, irrigation, and industrial processes. Groundwater is more accessible than glaciers but requires careful management to prevent over-extraction and contamination. C. Surface water and other freshwater, 1.2% of freshwater. The smallest portion of freshwater is found in rivers, lakes, and wetlands. Despite its limited quantity, this is the most accessible form of freshwater for humans and supports ecosystems, agriculture, and daily water needs. 3. Surface water breakdown. Freshwater found on the Earth's surface is further categorized into lakes. 20.9% of surface freshwater. Large water bodies like Lake Superior and Lake Baikal store significant amounts of freshwater. Rivers. 0.49% of surface freshwater. Rivers like the Ganga and Amazon are crucial for drinking water, transportation, and agriculture. Swamps and marshes. 2.6% of surface freshwater. Wetlands play an essential role in water filtration, flood control, and biodiversity. Atmosphere and soil moisture. A small but important fraction of freshwater exists in the atmosphere as vapor and in soil as moisture, driving precipitation and plant growth. Key insight: while Earth has abundant water, only 0.007% of it is readily accessible in rivers and lakes for human use. This limited availability highlights the importance of conserving water, managing resources sustainably, and addressing challenges like pollution and climate change. Understanding the distribution of water helps us recognize its value and the urgent need to protect this essential resource. Thanks for watching.